What I love is leading a group of people to success. That to me is one of the best feelings in the world. What's amazing is there's people that are buying their fourth house with their fourth different agent. What happened to those other three agents? Did they not do one thing over the top in which somebody remembered? You know, it's all about relationships. I'm the regional sales leader here at Rovi Homes of Central Mass. Been in sales for over 30 years. I wanted to lead from the heart, and corporate America really wasn't about people, it was about profit. Leading and sales should be rewarding at the end of the day. If I can lead the masses to sales and help them build their businesses, then Rovi becomes successful and I ultimately am successful. Real estate is all about people. It's listening to people, matching people's wants and needs, and it's just doing right by people. When you hand somebody the keys and they give you that big giant hug, you know, there's no better feeling. You know, I've always been a coach, and as a leader, I'm proud of watching the development of others. One in particular came in part-time. She finally ripped off the Band-Aid and said, I can't do this part-time. And within like 2 weeks of being full-time, she put 2 or 3 under contract. And you see them on their first close or their first contract signed. It's just, it fills me with pride. You know, that's just leading with the heart, in my opinion. You know, and you can feel that way about your people.